This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zip file of Tally Prime data. First, it's crucial to know where your Tally Prime data resides. Open Tally Prime and observe the data path shown on the company selection screen. This path, often something like C/Tally Prime /data, points to the folder containing all your valuable financial records. Before you begin the compression process, always ensure that Tally Prime is completely closed. This prevents any data corruption and ensures a smooth, error-free backup operation. Once you have located your Tally Prime data folder, open File Explorer and navigate directly to that path. Inside, you will see folders representing each of your companies, typically identified by a 5-digit number. Select the specific company data folder you intend to backup. With the folder highlighted, right-click on it. From the context menu, hover over Send to and then click on Compressed Zipped Folder. This action initiates the compression process, creating a new archive. Immediately after selecting the Compressed Zipped Folder option, a new zip file will appear in the very same directory as your original data folder. It will likely have the same name as your company folder, but with a zip extension. It is highly recommended to rename this new archive. Give it a descriptive name, perhaps including the company name and the current date, such as My Company Data Backup, September 25th. This makes it easy to identify the contents and when the backup was created. After creating your zip file, it is a good practice to double-check its contents. Simply double-click the newly created zip file to open it and ensure all your Tally Prime data files are present inside. For optimal security, move this compressed file to a separate, secure backup location, such as an external hard drive or cloud storage. Remember, regularly creating these zip backups of your Tally Prime data is a crucial step in safeguarding your valuable financial information against unforeseen data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.